Hello, Assalamu alaikum. So today we are going to make Dalgona coffee. This was very trending before, but this is not trending now. Actually, I made this video long back, but due to Ramadan, I don't want to upload this video, so I didn't upload any video. This is how the recipe is. I have made this many times now. This is a very amazing coffee which is being served outside. This is all what we need. 2 spoons of coffee powder, 2 spoons of sugar, 2 spoons of water, all in the same quantity. Mix all the ingredients together. You can use hand whisk, you can use electric whisk, or you can also use fork. I use electric whisk. The bad thing about this coffee is you had to whisk and you have to wait for 5 to 10 minutes or more than 10 minutes. It took me so much time to make this coffee just because the process of whisking is very much. This is not an instant coffee. You need to work hard on it so much to make a good taste. But believe me guys, once it's done, you are going to enjoy it. It's going to be very, very yummy. So just have patience. Once you see a frothy texture, you have to whip till you got a high, stiff peaks. And voila, it's ready. You need to add chilled milk, some ice cubes, and just put all your hard working material on the top of it. You can sprinkle and garnish with some coffee dust, coffee, or whatever you like. Now it's ready. Mix this up completely and enjoy your chilled coffee.